Hello friends, welcome to the second video of this Java series. In this video, I will tell you how you can download and install Eclipse IDE, which can be used to write the code in Java programming language. Apart from this Eclipse IDE, you can also use popular NetBeans IDE for writing the code in Java programming language. So basically, in this video, I will not only tell you how you can download and install this Eclipse IDE, but I will also discuss about the errors that this Eclipse IDE throws when you try to launch this Eclipse IDE after installation. So now go to your favorite browser and then type this Eclipse download. Later on, click on the first link. There you can see this download 64-bit option. Now download this executable file. As I have already downloaded this executable file, so I am moving this video to the installation point. So after downloading this file, you will get such a type of application file like this. Simply double click on this application executable file. This is also known as generic installer, and this Eclipse installer provides IDE for Java developers, for enterprise developers, for C or C++ developers. See, and based upon your requirement, you can also use this different IDE for different developers. But for this video, select this first IDE, that is for Java developers, and then select this option, that is install. This installation takes some time, for 5 to 7 seconds, so wait for few seconds. It asks us to accept this certificate, so simply click on this select all and then select this accept selected. And thus our installation is completed successfully. I am not launching this Eclipse IDE right now. I will explain you all the features of this Eclipse IDE in the next video, but like I said, I wanted to discuss the errors that this Eclipse IDE throws when you try to launch this Eclipse IDE. So the first error thrown by this Eclipse IDE is this, that is Java was started but return exit code equals to 13. This is generally happens because you have downloaded the older versions of JDK in your machine. Because see on the line second, you can see these C program files x86. This is generally the path of 32-bit editions of any application. So try to install new versions of JDK, and in order to solve this error, this is the only way, that you should install newer versions of JDK. And in order to solve this error, you can watch my previous video. The link is given in the description. By that video, you can install the new versions of JDK, and by that way this error will be gone. And the second error which normally occurs and mostly occurs this error after launching this Eclipse is this, that an error has occurred, and see the log file. But the solution of this error is also simple. Simply go to your computer, then go to C directory, then you can see the users option. Click on that, then go to your username folder. After that you can see Eclipse workspace. There you can see .metadata file. You simply need to delete that file, and if you delete that file, if you delete that folder, sorry, then this error will be gone. So in this way you can also solve this second error. Friends, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.